Hey there, finance enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down complex topics into simple, actionable steps. Today, we're tackling how to create a portfolio in the Yahoo Finance app, quick and easy for 2025. Whether you're a beginner investor looking to track your stocks or a seasoned pro wanting to organize your assets, this guide will get you up and running in no time. With the latest 2025 updates, the app is more user-friendly than ever, making portfolio creation a breeze. First things first, make sure you have the Yahoo Finance app installed on your phone or tablet. If not, head to your app store, search for Yahoo Finance, and download it for free. Once it's installed, open the app and log in to your account. Don't have one? No worries. Just sign up quickly with your email or phone number. Now, let's dive into the steps. Start by tapping the Portfolios tab at the bottom of the screen. This is your hub for all investment tracking. If it's your first time, you might see a prompt or an empty screen, perfect for starting fresh. Next, look for the Create New Portfolio button and give it a tap. You'll be prompted to name your portfolio, like My Tech Stocks or Retirement Fund. Be creative, it helps you stay organized. After that, it's time to add your assets. Search for stocks, ETFs, or even cryptocurrencies using their ticker symbols. For example, type in AAPL for Apple Inc. Once you've selected an asset, enter the number of shares you own or the amount invested. The app will automatically pull in real-time data, so you can see your portfolio's performance right away. Don't forget to customize. You can add charts, set alerts for price changes, or include news feeds to keep everything in one place. Hit Save when you're done, and your portfolio is live. Managing it is just as easy. Edit, add, or remove items anytime as your investments evolve. There you have it. Creating a portfolio in the Yahoo Finance app is straightforward and empowers you to make smarter financial decisions. Give it a try today, and if you run into any issues, drop a comment below. We're here to help. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more finance tips. See you in the next video.